Hi, I'm Lucy, and I'm here with Mild to Wild to go over how to pack a dry bag for a multi-day rafting trip. Here is what one of our overnight dry bags looks like. It's approximately 70 liters, and you can fit a lot in there. If you'd like to get a head start on your trip by packing at home, you can do that in an extra large, heavy-duty trash bag. These big dry bags are what we consider to be your checked bags, which will be strapped down securely on a gear boat throughout the trip. They are typically inaccessible until you arrive at camp for the night. On that note, if you don't have a sleeping bag or tent, Mild to Wild does have those for sale. We also have quick drying and super comfortable sleeping pads, so they don't have to go in here during the day. Now, let's get to packing. Here are some items you might want to include in your dry bag. I like to pack my sleeping system at the bottom of my dry bag. Tent. Sleeping bag in a stuff sack. Sleeping pad, unless it's a quick drying one. An extra set of shoes. Clothing. I like to keep mine in a backpack or gym bag to keep it all together while it's in the dry bag. Now for a few bonus items. A camera bag for you photographers out there. An extra towel. And now here's how to properly close your dry bag. Most of the dry bags will have Velcro on the inside, so you stick those together, close the outer flap, and then before you actually start rolling the dry bag, you need to get all of the extra air out. The best way to do that is by crunching it down. Then quickly rolling the flap. Depending on how many days you'll be on the river and how much you pack, you may only be able to get 2 or 3 rolls. And then you buckle the sides, tighten them down, and there you have it, your packed dry bag. In addition to your overnight dry bags, we also offer complimentary day dry bags that will be available with you on the raft throughout the day. We recommend keeping things that you will need throughout the day in this bag. For example, an additional layer, sunscreen, or any medications that you may need. Now, here are a few items you probably shouldn't bring. For you workaholics, don't bring your computer. Cleaning? Forget it. Chair? Don't need it. We have those for you. Cooking? We've got you covered with our all-inclusive catered camping. Eggs? No. Don't bring precious or valuable items. Tennis rackets? Probably not.